Mira, ¿qué pasó?
House, Mouse, Senate now. D is for democracy. Children may not bring our greetings from the Congress of the United States of America and to tell you that we are committed to all of you, the children, for your dedication to the language, to the culture, and to the religion of Tibet.